How to change Facebook password. So if you want to change your Facebook password, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after checking that, on the search bar, search for facebook.com. Or you can also open up your Facebook application. And after opening facebook.com, make sure to log into your account, and after logging in, on the upper right corner you will have a profile icon. Click on your profile and then click on settings and privacy, and again click on settings. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now here you have to click on security and login, and then scroll down, and here under the login you will have change password, and on the right side you will have edit. Click on edit, and then you have to enter your current password, and then you have to enter a new password, and on the next bar you have to retype your new password, and then you can click on save changes. And that's it. That's how you change your password. But if you forgot your password, like if you forgot your current password, then you can click on forgot your password, and then you can reset your password. So that's it, guys. That's how you change your Facebook password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.